Here, trying to diagnose this misfire. What did we just find?
So we've pulled this rotor cap off before when it was fucking up before, and it was not like this. So recently something happened where the rotor cap, something broke on the rotor, and it's been eating away at the things inside the rotor cap, and like there's a bunch
Metal
of
shavings all over the place.
Like in here, let me get my flashlight.
Oh, you can see it down on there.
In there, it is fucked up, and then also on the blade. Look at the blade that spins.
Oh shit!
So I think that's a pretty safe bet. We can tell what's fucked up. When I popped this cap off, some plastic shit came off. So something, it's right here. That's the plastic thing that broke off.
Oh yeah.
Dude, this thing's, oh.
Yeah.
No way. I literally just replaced this more than a year ago. That sucks.
And we said that in the, like a few videos ago of this car. Like, oh, it's probably not that. That's pretty new.
And we pulled it off before, so it wasn't like this before.
Was it? Did we really even pull it fully off?
We pulled the cap fully off and guaranteed there was no shavings. I remember we even took it apart and cleaned the points on the inside of the cap. They were not like that before. We cleaned the points last time when my dad was with us.
Yeah.
So I don't know what caused that, but that's definitely going to be replaced. That's a whole new fucking distributor thing. Fuck me.
Dang. I just want to really show each of the points in here. Looks like it's shaved off from the rotor hitting it. Like you could see the marks where it's definitely just not working. There's supposed to be a certain gap in between, but that's clearly shaving off a couple of them. I don't think it's all of them. That one is really bad. Oh my God. It looks like one of the screws in here popped out just below that. There should be one right there, and there's one there. And it should be spinning off the middle part, but it's just spinning off the screw, so it's not spinning centered at all. So that's how it was able to come up and hit the points like that. It looks like a screw just backed out. If I can, dude. So we're gonna pull this off and check behind it too.
Let me grab my.
We found the other screw just sitting in the distributor. So we're gonna just clean the threads up for now, throw them back in, really make sure they're tight, and see how this goes.
It's got a crush washer, so it might have not been tight from factory, but that shit lasted more than a year.
Mm-hmm. Got it back together. Temporary fix until the new one comes in. We found the other screw, so we just put it back together the way it's supposed to be. It seems to be running fine right now. We're about to take it for a test drive. What is that?
That's doing it.
That it's doing it? Huh. On the rotor is still bent right now, and yeah, it was bent. I tried to bend it back. It's flat now, but it's still like kind of cocked
I didn't know it was bent.
to the side, so it's at like the wrong angle a little bit. And what else? We just the coil is fucked up still.
It's doing it like right now.
Yeah, I can hear it too.
Back home.
Sounds like a lawnmower.
has to have done something.
Yeah, well, let's do it. Why not?
This is just a straight up misfire for sure.
Yeah. Want me to grab the temp gun right now? See if one cylinder is hotter? Alright, here again today. We got the new cap, the new rotor. So we're gonna try and see if this works. We got the plug wires coming in a couple days, but we're gonna do that when we do all the oil seals. So we're gonna do a full refresh on this pretty much. Yeah, now that we got both the old one and the new one next to each other, I want to compare these points so you can see how they're shredded.
And look like right in the middle right here. This doesn't have the cap, it's just got the spring. That's got the little thing that you can...
Yeah, that was still arcing with just that.
I don't know how. I don't know how this car was even fucking running.
Yeah,
This fucked up.
This ran and drove, but it misfired like crazy.
Like you can see all the metal shavings in this one.
Like, hold on, let me get this. I wiped as much of them out as I could. It was pretty bad. Yeah. Got the old rotor coming out, about to put the new one in.
Look at show them the tool he's using. I never thought I'd actually use this again. This little kit right here.
Little bell tool kit.
And it locks
some tight spaces.
Is this just like slides in there?
Oh, that's pretty sweet.
But it's so fucking hard to get out.
So this one is the fuck one. Okay. Yeah, look how bent that is.
That's bent.
Yeah, that's not straight.
Blocked.
So is that the piece you're replacing?
Yeah.
Look at that. Look how there's a plastic piece on that now. Quick little replacement here.
Replacement in the parking lot.
Again, going back to the glory days now.
Yeah. It's like old times. Give it a minute to see if it misfires. We're gonna go to the car wash later with all the boys. We'll actually get a good test drive in for it. That sounds good.
How's it feel, man?
Decent.
Good.
So far, so good.
Woo. It sounds a lot better too. Like you can.
Right.
Why? Oh, why? Because of the diff?
Yeah. Well, no, just because of that bump, but it wasn't that bad.
So you said you got this plug wires coming in, right?
Yeah.
So the plug wires are coming in, and then if that doesn't solve it, I say we check that one module right there, the spark thing.
We checked it.
And it was good?
This thing's about to fucking die right here.
Yeah, holy shit. What the hell? Did it get worse?
Yeah, it's like solidly doing it right now. We are like constant misfire.
Dude, oh god.
You can smell this.
Yeah, I can smell all the fucking fuel.
So it's gotta still be a spark problem.
Yeah, it's definitely getting fuel. Fuck.
Why would it still be having the problem, dude?
I don't know. It's definitely not the. Let's pop the hood and make sure everything's looking okay still. Make sure nothing came undone. And let's just coast this thing in. Back in the lot, and we're gonna take a quick look at everything. Do y'all hear this? Hear a Go give it a little bit of gas, or I can just do it right here.
That's missing.
Yeah. Yeah, you hear how rough it's running right now? What the hell, man? Yeah, go ahead and shut it off.